Chocolate chip cookies have been a loved dessert across America for many years. According to the Sugar Association, chocolate chip cookies was first introduced in its first recipe in 1930s by Ruth Wakefield from Toll House. And this also introduced the idea of incorporating brown sugar in chocolate chip cookies, which completely changed the cookie game. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make the Toll House original chocolate chip cookie recipe. Before you do anything, you're going to want to preheat your oven to 375. And here's the supplies and ingredients that I'm going to be using today. So I have this bowl right here where the eggs are in. That's going to be used for microwaving the butter to soften it. And I have these two bowls right here. One for the dry ingredients, one for the wet ingredients, so I can mix them separate bowls, and a spatula inside for mixing. And then I have vanilla extract, brown sugar, flour, and some measuring cups, chocolate chips, baking soda, salt, butter, some measuring spoons, and a whisk, and a cookie tray. According to PBS, it is important to mix your wet and dry ingredients separately, just so you can have a better texture of your chocolate chip cookie. So I'm going to start by mixing my dry ingredients together. So I have a smaller bowl, which you're going to want to get, and I'm going to put my 2 cups of flour in there. Okay, and then I have 1 tablespoon of baking soda. I'm going to put in there. And then I have 1 tablespoon of salt. And after you put all your ingredients in your bowl, you're gonna take your spatula and mix it around a little bit so it's all mixed together. Now we're gonna do our wet ingredients, but before that, we're gonna need to soften our 2 sticks of butter in the microwave for about 20 seconds. Okay, so now we're gonna do our wet ingredients. So I have my softened butter here. I kind of mixed up a little bit with my spatula, so it'll mix better with my other ingredients. So we're gonna pour that in there. And then next, we're gonna wanna add our 3/4 cup of brown sugar. Okay, and then our 3/4 cup of regular sugar. And then after that, we're gonna wanna add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. And then you're gonna wanna mix all those up. Okay, so you're gonna wanna mix your wet ingredients up so you have a nice creamy texture like this. And then after that, you're gonna add your 2 eggs in there and then mix them up together. Then after you mix your eggs in your bowl of your wet ingredients for a little bit, so look about like this, you're gonna wanna add your dry ingredients in there and mix them all in together, which is what I'm going to do right now. Okay, so here is all my ingredients mixed together. And now I'm gonna take my 1 cup of chocolate chips and I'm gonna pour them in and I'm gonna mix them all together until it's evenly distributed. Okay, so now I'm gonna place my cookies on my cookie tray. So I have this scooper right here. So I'm just gonna go into my cookie dough and fill it up, and I'm just gonna put it on my tray. Try to keep them evenly distributed across the tray and also about the same size too. As you can see, now I have my cookies on my tray. I fit 12 on there. I kept them equal in size and have equal widths between them as well. And fun fact, I use soft wheat flour compared to hard wheat flour because I read from a study that the University of Kansas conducted that soft wheat flour make them bigger in diameter, and I want bigger cookies, so. Next thing you're gonna wanna do is put your cookies in the oven. You're gonna wanna bake them for about 9 to 10 minutes until they're golden brown. This is my final product. As you can see, it's the golden brown color we talked about. And according to kcet.org, if you want your cookies to spread less in the oven, you can always add less sugar, decrease the baking time, and turn up the oven temperature. And to conclude, chocolate cookies are a loved dessert by almost everyone that are delicious and easy to make. Thank you.